are going to learn about three other ratios and rates prevalent in the banking system in our country. The first one amongst them is the SLR, or the Statutory Liquidity Ratio. Now, what does this ratio talk about? This term is used by the bankers, and it actually indicates the percentage of deposits that the bank deposits in the form of cash, gold reserves and approved securities that the banks have to keep with them. Right? Now, this ratio basically is between the cash and approved securities to the deposits. The RBI can increase the ratio to up to 40%, and this ratio actually regulates the credit growth of our country. So this is the statutory liquidity ratio. The next one that we're going to touch is the repo rate. Now, if we expand the term repo, it is actually repurchase rate. So basically, this rate is the rate at which the RBI lends short-term loans to the banks and other financial institutions. So if the repo rate increases, mark my words, if the repo rate is increasing, obviously availing of loans from the RBI becomes expensive to the banks and financial institutions. So this is the repo rate. The third one that we're going to talk about is reverse repo rate. What happened with repo rate? Well, that was the rate at which the RBI was lending short-term finances to the banks and financial institutions. What is happening with the reverse repo rate? These banks, sometimes when they have excess deposit or excess money which they cannot invest in other places or cannot lend and they're not getting a good rate when they are lending it, they're not getting a good rate for it. So what would they do with that money? They park it with the RBI. Instead of lending it somewhere, or instead of just holding idle cash, they park this money with the RBI, and the rate at which they park this money or keep this money with the RBI is called the reverse repo rate. So the excess money that these banks and financial institutions have, which they actually keep in the Reserve Bank or the central bank, and the rate at which they keep this money is called the reverse repo rate. So we've covered SLR, that is the statutory liquidity ratio, repo rate and reverse repo rate. And I hope all the three rates and ratios are clear to you. Thank you so much for joining.